Para sa mga bata, Physical Education 6. You must listen attentively to our discussion this afternoon because learning safety precautions in physical activity and sports and games will help you avoid possible injuries. At the end of the lesson, you need to learn on how to observe safety precautions in physical activity and sports and games. Before proceeding further, let us look again on how to write a paragraph. Remember that a paragraph has 3 parts. It has a topic sentence, body, and a conclusion. The topic sentence, a paragraph, is usually found in the beginning of the text, which tells about the topic. The body contains the supporting details. The conclusion or generalization of the text gives an overview or ending statement that concludes what the text wants to convey to its readers. Now, for our lesson, kindly read and study the information in your printed materials on page 1. Are you ready, learners? If so, very good. Now, while I read to you the information, please also read the information in your printed materials. I will now read the information. What are some safety precautions that can help avoid injuries? Number 1. Inspect the play area. First, before playing, remove hazards like rocks, broken bottles, broken equipment, hose or lump of water. Number 2. Always stretch before you exercise. Number 3. To warm up exercise before you play a sport. Number 4. Know the rules of the game. So, we need to follow the rules of the game. Number 5. Don't play when you are injured. Listen to your coach. Number 6. Take care of yourself and others. Avoid being too physical with your opponent. Number 7. Always sportsmanship. Now, let us learn how to observe safety precautions in physical activity and sports and games. Now, learners, as an example, I will show you a picture. What happened to the girl? Did she observe safety precautions? What can we possibly do to prevent this from happening? Zarlina went to a playground with her friends. While playing, someone pushed her back, which made her fall. Her left arm was the first to hit the ground, which made her injured. In our review earlier, we learned that a paragraph has 3 parts: the topic sentence, the body, and conclusion. Now, let us answer the questions we had earlier in the paragraph form. A. Topic sentence. The topic we are talking about is observing safety precautions in physical activity and sports and games. Did the girl observe safety precautions? No, she didn't. So, we'll try write on our topic sentence. The girl did not observe safety precautions, which resulted her to have an injury on her left arm. B. Body. If we are on her situation, what can we do? If we are in her situation, what can we do to prevent an injury from happening. So, this is what we'll put on the body of the paragraph. Before playing, the girl must have inspected the area they're playing or have a little stretching to avoid minor injury. Also, it is best to wear safety elbow pads. C. Conclusion. How important is observing safety precautions? And what are your realization on the given situation? We'll write, it is important to observe safety precautions in physical activity and sports and games to avoid injuries including hazards. Getting injury is very painful and may affect our daily living. In our activity, listen attentively to your teacher.